this session I got to know what actually why we have to do and what is the logical reason for that.
I really like the class actually because first of all I am very scared of results. Exams are coming here, so I'll practice more. I'll use all of the techniques which is given here and see which is best for me. Now I understood that studying is like, for most of the people, the word study is like some
Nightmare.
Yeah, nightmare. And math is also like some nightmare. So after this, it's a bit more light, on a lighter mode. I can read it and I can understand it.
To promote this education, what are the steps? What are the rules and regulations we have to take? What you taught us, the 8 or 9 techniques what you taught us. If we follow that, we may gain knowledge. We may gain all those important things what we have to learn in a life to get that success.
I believe that I'll get my more marks after following this, and I will also. Thank you.
We can't follow all the techniques for sure, but we will follow some of the techniques which will help us, definitely will help us.
So some of these skills also we have taught, so they were very important for us. We may use these skills not only for 10th but for the life.